We have our elites here, Frank Shorter, Bob Beeman, and John Troutman. Thanks to all the race directors and the committee for all the work that they do. And first and foremost, have a great race.
And for those of you who are here for the first time, I always mention that this is where my running career started, by ending right here, running to and from this school. This was the middle school when I grew up, and I actually started when I was 11, 12 years old to run to and from this school. This is where it started. So, again, thanks to everybody. And the only other thing I want to say is, out there, today truly is, and I say this pretty much every year too, today is your chance to beat me. So, you know, and all I request, and my annual request then is as you go by me, tell me I'm looking good. That's all I want. That's all I want. Because, you know, I started out and happened to win the first 2 races here. And after that, the pressure got to be too much. I said, that's it. When I come back from now on, I jog. Well, I'm jogging out there today. But it's a perfect day, and all of you who want to set a personal record, have a personal goal, I hope each and every one of you achieves it. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Wait, it's done.
Yeah! Get it on. Get it on. That's fun. Big boy. A lot of boys up there.
First mile in this package. The original course was.
There you go.
First half mile was over.
That's a man like that.
You guys identify any numbers from here? I can't see them.
I can't see
hard. It'd be hard to see.
Got 15 runners.
Not yet. They're just running up East Main Street.
These guys are moving.
Yeah. No problem.
No, you see, these guys are moving.
Yeah. Look.
That was a very fast start.
I told you, these guys are moving. They're moving.
Second guy?
50.
Okay. Number 10 is still in the lead. I don't know who
Record? 28.
28-33.
Second.
He's second in press.
Yep, I don't know how close they're going to come.
South Carolina. He's second.
Oh, second?
Yeah, top 5 Crescent City.
15.
Oh, that's good. This guy here?
Yeah, that's my guy.
Oh, yeah.
28 this
One
year.
runner,
20 meters.
20 meters ahead, and a pack of 7.
Those guys, you see guys relaxing in the blue? See how he's running? Yeah, he's relaxing.
Right now we're climbing up the steep hill on West Main Street
This guy's going to take over.
by Highland Avenue.
There's no tomorrow. See how quickly it does?
Here we go.
And they're going to pass him and leave him back.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Rabbit.
Yeah. He's relaxing. The guy in the blue, watch him.
He's relaxed.
Yeah, he's relaxing. Yeah, he's just jogging. Yeah, he can. That's the move. That's him. He can do damage.
Oh, there is 7. The small guy. I didn't see him.
Yeah,
Sorry about that.
that's the one. He can do damage.
Wow.
Yeah.
He was tucked right in there.
He's riding small. I mean, smart.
Yep.
Very fast race. Bye, guys. Grandpa. Great Grandpa.
We got a group of 7.
Yeah, there's 7. I didn't see the small one.
Yeah,
There's 7.
We just went past fan zone number 3 in front of Walter Blampete's house and the Middletown Psych Center.
This is going to be tough.
We're on Oliver Avenue.
Exciting.
These people are not going to leave nobody.
This is exciting.
It's going to be exciting.
Yeah.
These guys are going to go to the truck together.
Right down on the track. Yeah.
I tell you.
There you go.
No, it's not going to happen. One guy got dropped down.
I remember that. 2 years.
No excuses, weather.
They dropped the guy.
Yeah, one guy's getting dropped.
So now we got.
So we are down
like
to
a
6. 6 guys.
They have to drop one more.
I expect number 50 to come.
Yeah.
Way to go, guys.
No, number 29.
They're 14,
I see
18
number
at the
29.
3 mile.
Yeah, he did 14:30 last week. That's you can't beat.
Okay, we got a group of 5 now.
Have we gone through 5K yet?
Yeah, we had to. Yeah.
They didn't have a clock at the phone on Randall Avenue. Jerry Kleiner, Alderman Jerry Kleiner, is at his driveway with his wife. They've been doing this for 34 years, taking pictures of the runners. He's bringing me a lot of photos after the event.
Oh, look at that. I like it.
Oh, man.
Oh, these guys are flying down the
look at
hill.
him.
You gotta see this.
Got no choice.
They look like birds with
It's
wings.
so steep.
Look at that.
It's so steep. Wow.
Oh, smoke.
They're fine.
Thank you.
I like that.
Now, every year they have the biggest party at Freddie Island's front
Let's
yard.
go!
Roosevelt and Rockland.
You're going now.
I don't want to go to the track with Diriba. You want to drop him before that.
What's the record? 28:33, Frank?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a track runner.
Missile, of course. That's
1 mile, 1 mile runner.
Ibrahim Hussein, 1984.
Wow.
Ayman Sang is dropping number 15 in the back. He's dropping off the hill. Single line formation now.
Yeah, right?
Single line formation. You see? They're running smart now. Look, dragging behind each other.
Yeah.
Diriba, Ayala, and you have Murad and Nagicic, I believe. He's too much arms now. The other guys are still relaxed. I can see the arms kicking from here. He's fighting to stay in with the pack.
But he's going to close in. He's getting
Yep, it's, we're coming up right now in front of Tom Burr's
Look
Deli.
at his,
Fan
look at
zone
his
number
head.
5.
Look at his head. Number 4, he's struggling.
Because it's tilting back?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
He's struggling. He went too far. He was by himself for a long time.
Thank you, Mobilite.
The guys who look the best is Ayala and
Thank you,
Moroccan.
Middletown Police Department. Thank you.
The Moroccan guy is good.
I know his shit. We see him every day. I know what he can do.
Mr. Tom
You don't
Burr,
make a move.
Tom Burr, they got a lot of people.
Look at number 10 hanging on, though,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Wow.
He looks like he's doing good.
Thanks, guys.
He has a chance of winning this race.
Patient, being patient. Oh,
Oh, there they go.
Moroccan guy,
Now it's
number
3.
10.
you told me they're gonna jump him like at the first kilometer.
No, I told you.
Been around for
Yeah.
a long time.
Yeah, he's smart. He's not going forward.
There's a better head when it's
You don't
Yeah.
Number 2, Helen Aggressive finishing third. He's giving it a hand, folks, as our lead runner is coming. And our first one is getting And he's off to race on the 33:30 for the ladies coming across.
Land of the free and the home of the brave.
3, 2, 1. We've hit the 1 hour mark. Andrew Morey, Cindy Majorano, Melissa Rivera, Andrew DeFazio, Roger Filomeno, Shane Barone, Carlene Zatola, Stephanie Fishman, Joshua Delagana, Jenny Ossenshot, Joel Whirling, Karu Shadana. Good job, Alex. Royal Red, your high school career with the